Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard language. Simply open your settings, scroll down, go to general management. As you can see, showing it to Samsung keyboard settings and showing it to language and type. You just easily change any language to English, type language, and its input language. Okay, find here your any language or search here. Okay, at first need to download and successfully add this. Easily turn on or turn off, like select this, make sure to enable and disable this. When I'm using my keyboard, then showing it to language. Now successfully change this language. Or if you want to get back or change again, select, reopen my keyboard. Now change this, and when I'm make sure to select dual language, like select to multiple language and open my keyboard, just press on to change language. That's it.